How to fix Disney Plus error code 1017, best method. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to the internet. On mobile or computer, open a browser and load a website to confirm the connection. If the connection is unstable, restart your router or modem by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Reconnect your device to the Wi-Fi network or try using a wired connection for more stability. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off the device you're using, smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on. Relaunch Disney Plus and check if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Clear the app cache. Clearing the app cache can resolve issues caused by corrupted temporary files. On mobile, Android, long press application and click app info, then clear data and click clear cache. On browser, open browser settings. Go to privacy, search, and services. Scroll down and look for delete browsing data. Click choose what to clear, make sure that the cached images and file is checked, and then click clear now. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss more helpful content like this.